Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete chat on Instagram. Okay, so you can delete all chat or you can delete chat from both sides or you can clear all messages. I will show you how you can delete. How you can do this. So well, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my mobile. So guys, here first you have to open your Instagram application. Okay, just open your Instagram and come to your home tab and go to the messages. Here you can see I had two messages, one of this guy. You can see I got the 3123 message. I can delete it by holding it. If I hold on it, I can just go to the more, hold for 1 second, you will see the more option and you can. Okay, so this message I got from person, so I can only reply it or I can report it. But if you want to delete all, just come back and just hold the person for 1 second, click and hold, and this option will become, you can delete all messages. Okay, if you click on delete, so this person chat will be deleted. But if you click on another option, okay, so this message I have sent, so I can unsend it or I can clear it by holding for 1 second. Just click on hold for 1 second, and now you will see the option like unsend. If I click on it, the message unsend will be remove the message for everyone. People may have seen for it already, so just unsend it, so it will be delete from here and it will be unsend to everyone. Okay, unsend means the person who got this message, he also not see this message again. Okay, so that is how you can delete or clear chat. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.